Today we got a surprise package from our friends over from Banggood, and it's something that is not usual here on my channel. So you can see it's a coffee maker from BlitzWolf. And of course, this is going to be my first time to brew a coffee here in my studio. And it's also my first time to try to brew one on my own. I know I'm a coffee lover, but of course I never tried to brew one myself. But we'll get to try one today. Thanks to Banggood. Let's go. Hi guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget, Sidekick, and right now we have a big box here from Banggood. If you want something new, those latest gadgets, check it out, banggood.com, and we're going to open this big boy here. And out of the box, we got the user guide from BlitzWolf, an adapter, and of course this big package inside is nonetheless the coffee maker from BlitzWolf. So let's take those styro out of the way, and we have something here. We can see we have some sort of a filter and a spoon. So we're going to finish taking off this styro, and we have this one, the one where we put the coffee grounds before you insert it to your machine. I usually see this a lot in coffee shop, but today we have it here in my studio, so you get to try it firsthand. Ooh, shiny. And there you go. You can see it's a very compact coffee maker. So at the back we have your cord, power cord, and just simply need to pull it out. It's a Euro plug. So right now we're going to figure out how to use this one. So this one is definitely your drip pan. It's placed at the bottom to catch all those drip of coffee. As you can see, it's it's like a basin here to catch all those water, those spills. Just need to put it down here properly. Next thing to do is, of course, to take off this water container at the back and fill it with water. But before you do that, of course, you want to rinse it first with tap water before you filling it in. So after that, all you need to do is just insert it. Simple as that. Then we'll be filling it up with clean water, drinkable water, mineral water, distilled water, whatever water you want to put. As long as it's drinkable, it's good. Okay, so there's the maximum line over there. So we're just going to put it up to the maximum. So closing it is as simple as that. Then we're going to plug it right now and give it a test run. So there. So this is your measuring spoon. This is what I'm going to use to scoop those coffee grounds. This is what we call the funnel handle. Okay. This one inside is the steel mesh used to contain the coffee grounds. So all you need to do is just place it inside, spin, and it will lock. So this is placed underneath here. Okay, then twist to lock. It's as simple as that. So right now we're going to boot this thing up. So we press the power button, and let's try to see if coffee will come out. Okay, so that's the what you call the manual brew. and you can see that water is dripping out already right now. So yeah, it's just for us to check it's working before we run for the coffee. So right now it's working perfectly. So right now we'll play a little bit with the steam on the side. So we need to press this button on the side. So adjusting something over here on the side. So you can see here on the side, the froth is coming out, steam is coming out. This is used to make froth on your coffee. So definitely it's hot steam coming out here. You can see it's hot steam. So in order to turn it down, you just need to pull it up, back up. Want the steam coming out, you need to slow it down. So you'll see all the steam coming out. So right now we're going to do what we are here for, is to brew some coffee. So putting on the side, you can see that there's a lot of steam still coming out from here. Let's just tap it a bit. You can see it's a little bit pat dry. Next is to use my coffee grounds over here. Just scoop some. Okay, so one scoop is probably enough to feel my need for coffee. Okay, so just that's one scoop, exactly one scoop of ground coffee. So next is to put it inside. Just like this, and twist it towards the center, and it's locked. So we'll be putting our coffee cup underneath and see if it works or not. And we'll do a little taste test after this, and let's see if the coffee will taste better. Right now we're going to try and press that brew button and see if it will give us a good tasting coffee or not. Let's try it. So this is definitely 1 cup of coffee, 2 cup of coffee. This is your manual. So we go for the 1 cup of coffee, where you just inserted our coffee to the coffee grounds inside. So you can see that it's already pouring down some coffee for us. So yeah, it looks good. It's tasty, yummy. Let's see how it tastes after. So that's 1 cup of coffee. So yeah, I don't really want to overdose myself with a lot of coffee for 1 day. So I can say 1 cup is more than enough. Let's just let it finish dripping. Give it a couple of seconds, it will finish. So there we go. So you guys have the option to steam your milk, or you want to make some froth out of this one. So you just need to press this button on the side, then let it brew, let it brew, let it brew. Okay, it will just steam itself. Here you can see steam coming out. If you have something like milk, it will froth itself. But if you don't, then not. Smells good. Black coffee in the morning. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here from my channel. And of course, if you guys want to buy this one, the BlitzWolf coffee maker, it's readily available at Banggood. Check it out, banggood.com, and I'll drop the link below where to buy this one. And of course, I'll be giving out some coupons if you buy it now. So I'll see you on my next video. Cheers.